Have you ever wondered why some YouTube videos skyrocket while others stay stuck? It's not just luck, it's strategy. There's a concept I call the passive profit pathway, and it's your key to earning more with your YouTube videos without much extra effort. And the secret isn't about going viral. It's about creating value-driven content that connects directly with the viewer's problems and questions. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can use this new pathway to earn more views and more money with your YouTube channel. Now, if you're ready to uncover the algorithm's best kept secret, let's dive in. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I help new YouTubers monetize their YouTube channel without worrying about the YouTube Partner Program or the YouTube ad revenue. Through actionable strategies, real-world examples, and tools tailored for beginners, I'll help you turn your YouTube channel into a thriving business. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Before we dive into the passive profit pathway, let me give you a quick overview of everything we're going to cover today. First, we'll cover how to create content that viewers are actively searching for, content that practically pulls them in. Then I'll show you how to get virtually unlimited content ideas with simple tools and strategies. Then we'll break down how to structure your videos to keep viewers watching and engaged all the way into the end. By the time we're done with this video, you'll have everything that you need to get more views on your YouTube videos without extra effort. Step number one in the passive profit pathway is to create valuable search-driven content. Now, I'm sure you've heard create valuable content before, but what does that actually mean? Simply put, it means creating videos that not only answer the viewer's original question, but attempting to answer any additional questions that might pop up along the way. You see, most people come to YouTube because they have a problem or a question, and the problem is causing them so much pain that they're looking for a solution from us, the creator. For example, if there's someone that wants to become a YouTuber but needs a microphone, they're going to go to YouTube and they're going to search best budget microphones for YouTube. And creating a YouTube video with the title best budget microphones for YouTubers is likely going to get you more views than a video titled my microphone collection. Simply put, it's because the YouTube viewer wants their problem solved and they don't care about you, at least in the very beginning. And if you can show them that you can not only solve their original problem, but any other problems that might pop up, you're going to get more views and you're going to make more money. And if you follow the passive profit pathway, you're likely to get more views and you can turn those views into real cash. Because next, we are going to discuss the best videos to make and how to find virtually unlimited video ideas. And simply put, when you leverage search intent, getting views is almost like shooting fish in a barrel. Here are several video ideas that you could create today that will help you get more views tomorrow, even as a new creator and a new channel. Number one, best X4Y. For example, best screen recording software for YouTubers. Best X under Y. For example, best microphones under $200. X versus Y. For example, PS5 versus PS4, which one is right for you? In addition, adding the current year lets viewers know that this information is new, relevant, and up to date. Another option is to create content about a specific product or service. For example, how to play the PS5 on a MacBook Pro in 2025 is specific and it's going to get you more views. All of these keywords are search-based and guaranteed to get you more views as a brand new creator. This method aligns with the passive profit pathway because when a viewer uses these terms, it means they are ready to buy, but they aren't quite sure which one to buy yet. In addition, these videos have the opportunity to get you views 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Unfortunately, none of this will work if you make these common mistakes. Most new YouTubers all make the same mistake and it causes them to miss out on views and putting money into their pocket. In most cases, the biggest mistake new YouTubers make is they create content that is too broad and too competitive. I recommend staying away from how-to content that is too broad and competitive in the very beginning because you're going to be fighting against YouTubers that have millions of subscribers and followers. For example, a video like how to start a YouTube channel in 2025 is going to be way too competitive and you're going to wind up not getting any views. You'll be literally competing against YouTube channels that have millions of views and have been around a long time. Now that you understand how to create value-driven content, the next question is, how do I actually find unlimited video ideas? Let's jump into part 2, which is finding high search, low competition video ideas for your new channel. In general, there are 4 different ways to find high search, low competition section, video ideas, and in this section, we're going to take a look at each one. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer so I can show you a few different ways to find these ideas. The first way is to use a free tool called TubeBuddy. As you can see here, I'm going to click on this TB, and then we simply go down to Keyword Explorer, and we start typing in our relevant keywords. So we could type in how to play PS5 on Mac. When we hit enter, TubeBuddy gives us a bunch of information that can help us decide if we make this video. We can take a look at the keywords that also pop up over time. We can take a look at the score analysis for our channel and in general. TubeBuddy gives us a wealth of information that will help us determine if this is a great idea. Another tool that we can use is a tool called vidIQ. Again, it's free. As you can see here, I can go up, click on the hamburger menu, and then we can get daily ideas. We can do a keyword inspector if we click on that, and then we can type in our keyword. We could type in something like how to play PS5 on Mac and hit enter. And once again, it gives us some information and it can let us know if we should move forward. In addition, we can use a website called Morning Fame, and with a Morning Fame, you can essentially do the same thing. Now, I'll put links in the description to each one of these. I recommend that you test each one out and see which one works best for you. If you don't want to use a free tool, a very simple thing you can do is go up to the search bar and type in keywords that are related to your niche. For example, how to play PS5 on Mac. And what we want to do here is simply take a look at the search results. We can see here that this channel has 1.18 million subscribers and 140,000 views. What we want to look for essentially is we want to look for videos that have more viewers or views than subscribers. Each one of these you can see is really competitive, so this might not be a great idea. What we can do is go back up to the search bar and hit the space bar to see what else pops up. We can then check on how to play PS5 on Mac desktop to see if that's an opportunity. And here we go. How to play PS4, PS5 on Mac. This one has 168,000 views and only 220 subscribers. This lets me know that this could be a good opportunity to potentially create a video. You can see here how to use Mac as a display for gaming console. Video capture card. This has 150,000 views and only 6.26 subscribers. Another thing that we can do is go back up to the search bar and we can type in how to underscore in Canva. And we're going to go back over here and we're simply going to type in each letter of the alphabet. How to W, how to use Canva for infographics, how to make an ebook with Canva. We can simply click on one of these, how to make an e-invite with Canva, and then we can look at the view to subscriber ratio. So 187,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. So this would actually be a really good opportunity to make a video because it shows you that there's lots of opportunity. Another thing we can do is hit the space bar and see what else pops up. How to make a digital wedding invitation in Canva. So we can click on this, and then once again we can take a look at the view to subscribe. It doesn't look like this as friendly for new YouTubers, but what we could do is at the end add in 2025, which is our current year, and then take a look and see if anything pops up for us as an opportunity to make a video. If we go over to a website called Morning Fame, what we can do here is we can take our question here, how to make a digital wedding invitation in Canva, copy this, paste it right into here, hit enter, and it's going to give us a score if we should consider making this video. Now this score is going to be heavily dependent on your channel, and so while I have A's, it might be a little bit different for you. Again, I'm going to put links in the description to all of these so that you can test them out yourself. If you're still looking for ideas, another opportunity is to spy on competitors. Let's jump back into my computer so we can spy on competitors and I can show you other ways to find video ideas. All right, so now that we're back in my computer, let's spy on this person. What we're going to do is we are going to open this up in a new tab, and what I want to do is I want to take a look at the videos that she's uploaded in the past few weeks, and we're looking for outliers. So in general, she's getting between, I would say 600 and 1,000 views. But if we notice, this video right here has 2.3 thousand views and this one has 2.2 thousand views. So this might be an opportunity to make this type of video. What I'd recommend that you do is make a list of 15 to 20 competitors and take a look at the videos that she's uploaded or they've uploaded within the last few weeks to get an idea of potential videos that are proven to work. Another thing you can do is go over to popular and take a look at videos that have gotten a lot of views views within the last year, how to remove objects from videos using CapCut. So this might be another opportunity to make a video and just put 2025 to let people know that this is more recent and more up to date. Another opportunity to potentially get more views. Again, the best way to do this is if you have 15 to 20 competitors in your space, and you can rotate and look to see which ones are working or getting the most views most recently. If you're still not able to find keywords, another thing that you can do is simply just listen to your audience. What you can do is you can go into the questions or comments that your audience is asking, as well as questions and comments that your competitors' viewers are also asking. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer one more time so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. So what we can do is we can go to this video right here that has 13,000 views. We can scroll down and we can simply look and see if people are asking questions. As I like to do, control find and then look for comments that have a question mark. And once we find a comment with a question mark, we can take note and use that as potentially a video idea going forward. Another thing we can do is we can type in something like who, what, when, where, why, and how. So if we type in how and scroll down, you'll be able to see commenters that are asking actual questions, and that can give us video ideas or video inspiration for eternity. Now that you have a solid list of content ideas, you might be wondering, how do I actually structure a video that people want to watch? And this is truly where the magic happens. Let's jump into part 3, which is planning and structuring a video for engagement. Now, I'm sure you've heard that each video needs to have a hook, story, and offer, but what does that actually mean? Your hook is something that reels in your target audience and pushes away people that aren't actually interested in your content. Your hook consists of both your thumbnail and your title, as well as the first 30 seconds of your video. The thumbnail should highlight the topic of your video and also cause a little mystery and intrigue. The title should address the problem that your target audience is having, and the first 30 seconds of your video should let the viewer know that you can actually solve their problem. Now, you can achieve this in 2 ways: by either asking the viewer a question or simply restating the title. For example, you could start your video by saying, "Are you a new YouTuber looking to level up your audio game? I put together a list of the 5 best microphones for new YouTubers." Or you could say, "In this video, the 5 best microphones for new YouTubers." Or you could start off the video by saying, "In this video, I'll reveal the 5 best microphones for new YouTubers to improve their audio quality." Now that you have the hook, next is the story. The story is simply you answering the question or solving the problem the viewer had. Now, you should keep this portion as short and to the point as possible. While having stories in your videos are nice and can be helpful, if the viewer feels like you're wasting their time, they're going to leave the video and it's going to hurt your watch time. Also, be sure to ask open-ended questions to keep the viewer engaged and watching the entire video. Now, you should answer the open-ended question later in the video so that the viewer doesn't feel tricked or deceived. Now, here's a pro tip. Make sure that you are using basic and simple language and words, because you're probably speaking to a global audience where your primary language may not be their first language. And the final part in the hook, story, and offer framework is the offer or call to action. The offer is a direction to tell your audience to take an additional step. The call to action should be to click on the links in the description, to follow for more, or simply to comment if they have questions. Every video should have at least 3 calls to action. 1 early in the video, 1 later in the video, and 1 at the end screen, encouraging them to watch the next video. Now, if you want to learn how to monetize your new YouTube channel without the YouTube Partner Program or the ad revenue, I've literally written the book on it. Click the first link in the description to learn how you can monetize your brand new YouTube channel without the YouTube Partner Program or worrying about the ad revenue. And watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your new YouTube channel in just 2 days.